How to change time to take action direction on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here's a click on advanced settings. So after click on advanced settings, scroll down and you will see time to take action is here. So if you want to change time to take action, so click on time to take action. So after click on time to take action, so if you want to change, so you will see select 10 second, 30 second, 1 minute and 2 minute. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change time to take action direction on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.